Hello you guys, I am back and today we are making vision boards. So we are making vision boards because I actually need to make another one. I've made a few of them before. I've made a whole life look vision board. I've made one for just earth appreciation and like greenery, and I've made one for just a few of my hobbies and like friends and stuff like that. Today I am making another one for my career slash future because I don't really know what to call it. But for those of you who are new to my channel, I have graduated and I kind of just wanted to make a vision board for some of the ideas that I have. Okay, so just a quick intro for what a vision board is. Either a collage or a board basically of ideas, things that motivate you, something that you look at and it brings you inspiration or motivation on a certain thing of which you choose. So that's what we're making today, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it from beginning to end, or how I do mine, and you can follow along. What you're gonna need is a Pinterest account because that's how I get my photos, a frame or a board that you're gonna use, scissors to cut out your photos, and last you're going to need access to a printer. The first thing to do when you're making a vision board is to decide what it's for. For personal goals, maybe it's for school. It could be as broad as like your life, to be honest, or it could be super narrow, like a certain goal. You want to look at this and be motivated for whatever subject your vision board is about. Okay, the next step is to make a Pinterest board for your vision. The reason why I say Pinterest is because I feel like it's the easiest kind of platform that has a ton of really great looking photos that you can use, and it offers a way for you to organize those photos, hence making a Pinterest board. I wouldn't really use Google Images because it's just harder to find photos that look good. You might end up finding a lot of stock photos. So yeah, that's what I'm going to start doing. Psych, I lied. I actually already started doing this. I have my laptop right here. So I just started making my Pinterest board and it's called Career and Future. So just think of some things that relate to your vision. Type it up in the search bar and find photos that you like and just start adding to your Pinterest board. I think it's really awesome if you just find photos that really show your vision well, like packing up the orders or maybe having your own office, like different aspects of what you are envisioning, and kind of capture that in different photos. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add them to a document. You can use Google Docs, Word, to start a new blank document, and we're gonna start adding our photos. So as I told you guys before, my vision is future work and stuff like that, my spiritual purpose, those kinds of things. I also want to have, some pictures of money in there, just to manifest that. So I'm just gonna run through all of these photos, and anything that doesn't seem like it represents that, I'm gonna either throw it in the maybes or I'm gonna throw it in the not sures. And the first thing you want to do, or that I do that really helps me out, I end up having too many photos on my Pinterest board. What you want to do is at the very top, you just want to put for shores. And these are just some photos that you definitely want to have in your vision board. Then I make another category and I label it maybes. They don't represent my vision as well. And then you're gonna have a third category called not shores. This just helps me because what I usually do is I take the photos from my Pinterest board and I put them all in the document. I just hit copy, image, and paste. Then you want to kind of weed out the photos that you don't really want from the photos that are like, yeah, I really like this. So for example, this one I like just because the girl in there is really carefree and it looks like she's journaling or something, which I love to do, I can relate to. So I know when I look at this photo, I can envision myself in there, that whole vibe. That's the key thing of having a vision board that you really like versus just a random collage of photos. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to sort these photos out and see which ones I like best, which one represents what I want my career future to look like, and when I'm done doing that, I will get back to you guys. Okay, sorry for the lighting change. I finished sorting the photos last night and deleting the ones that I didn't want, and after that I just went in and I cropped all of the photos to the correct size, recolored them, made sure that any extra background space was cut out, because when you're making a vision board full of just a bunch of photos, you want them all to pop and not it just be like a dull collage. And yeah, so I just prayed over the whole process and made sure that all of the photos that I had left are ones that really represented my vision well. Now we're gonna move on and we're just going to print. Okay, and here we go. It's time to grab your scissors and whatever glue you choose and start cutting. This is the part where I like to just jam out, get in the zone, and just enjoy what I'm doing. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so we have our photos now. So I'm just gonna take the back of this frame off. You get the glass and you get the backing. I like the back of my vision boards to just be white, so I'm gonna use this opposite side and put the photos on top of it. Okay, editing Faith here. I know that I just said that I used the white background, but for this vision board I decided to use the black background just because I thought it looked a lot cleaner with the gold frame that I had. So I know that I'm going to talk and say that I used the white background, but I used the black one, so yeah. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay this down and I'm going to lay my photos down on top of it in whatever order to see how they fit, and then you can glue them afterwards. I find this to be much easier because if you start gluing them one by one and you make a mistake or you realize one fits better in a different place, you can't move it. So it's much easier to get them laid down first and then go in and glue them. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Enjoyed making these vision boards with me. I hope that you make your own. Please tag me because I would love to see yours. But that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like watching this video. Let's give it a thumbs up and watch any of my other videos if you haven't already. That's all that I have for now, so I will see you guys next time. Bye. I also want to put like more inspirational stuff on there too. The next thing, oh no, did I just break this? Yes, I did. Don't rush. I tried to make a TikTok of making this at the same time, so that was kind of weird.